Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Brian from Apex Detail. This Cadillac XTS has hard water spots, mineral deposits from parking long term in a garage. And this is a common problem. I'll show you how to easily and quickly fix the problem and move on. As you can see, has a lot of damage on the driver's side, and you don't want to even start the job without washing and cleaning the car completely. You want to start working on the areas with grit still attached to the surface. So we're going to start with either your conventional bucket wash or the waterless or rinseless wash. You're going to see shortly here that the damage just cannot be washed off or even cleaned off with a lot of your basic and standard cleaners out there. This takes a specialized cleaner and water spot remover. As I mentioned earlier, after your wash routine, whatever it is, you're going to see that it's back with full force after it's fully dried. It has to be removed with a specialty spot remover. I like to use McKee's RV water spot remover gel. They have a couple different versions. They have some versions for your car, painted surfaces. That's just a spray. They also have two different versions for your RV, which is a spray and also a remover gel. I love the gel. It is full strength. It has a lot of power, and it can dwell on the area for a couple minutes or a couple seconds as you apply it to all the damaged regions and then come back and massage it into the surface. It will not scour, it will not stain. It does a great job, and it will remove calcium, magnesium deposits, any minerals that are baked onto the side of your vehicle, and is incredible for water spots. The way I like to use it, after layering it over the affected areas for a few seconds, I'll come back and massage it in for about 30 seconds or so. Then I'm going to stop no matter where I think my progress is, use a rinseless wash or ONR, and rinse or flush the area and check my work. And if I need to, I'll go back over it twice or three times. And that all depends on how long the minerals have been baked onto the side of your car, for what period of time. If they're fresh, that's going to come off easy in one pass. If it's a buildup, if you work and you park in a parking garage where this is a daily routine for your car, it may take a few passes. And that's exactly what happened to this vehicle. This vehicle is parked in a parking garage daily, so there's heavy buildup, and it's going to take two trips, to remove the mineral deposits safely and completely from the area. Now, what's left behind is going to be scratches from the owner trying to remove it with whatever they tried to remove it with, an APC or just maybe a terry cloth or whatever they were using. Another reason you have to polish afterwards, there's going to be a little bit of etching and staining in the paint from the deposits. So we're going to be able to remove all of that damage with, well, I'll show you that in just a few short minutes after all of the mineral deposits are removed. You'll be able to see after the second pass, everything is completely gone except for some of the etching and the scratching. You want to check everywhere because this stuff can run in between panels, inside gas lids, in between panels and brake lights or headlights and tail lights and parking lights. It can actually hide everywhere. So you want to check all areas for damage and remove it, and that's exactly what we're going to do here. That's going to do it. All deposits on the driver's side, and luckily for us on this car, that's all there was. There wasn't anything on the roof. It was just hitting the top of the windows and running completely down the side of the car. And that's all gone now. So all we have to do is fix the damage from trying to remove it, and also some of the etching and staining that it left behind running down the car. For that, I'm going to use 3D. Well, it depends on what clear coat you're working on. For this particular clear coat, all you're really going to need for that is 3D1 and a soft polishing pad with a 15 millimeter throw. Now, not only do we have the mineral deposits removed and we have the damage and the scratching from the deposits being there removed, the paint is actually in better shape than when the deposits were being baked onto the side of the car. So yes, the customer is going to be happy. Let's continue on with this routine. That is going to do it. And in less than an hour, you're done. And the car looks better than when the damage occurred in the first place. Charge a minimum of $200. 3, 4 is more like it, depending on what region you're in. It just baffles me how the price ranges from region to region, but that's just the way it is. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. That's going to do it for today's video. And if you're enjoying the content, find it useful, be sure to like, subscribe. Share the content, hit that notification bell. That will let you know when we have new videos.